guys, it's Lynette Sine. As you guys know, I am an Ipsy creator, so every month I get to do a glam bag video to tell you guys all about the products that I got within this month's glam bag. So this one is for February. You guys, this month is my birthday month. I just turned 32 years old, and I don't feel a day over 22. So I tell everyone my age because I've told you guys this before. If you've seen any of my prior videos, I like to talk about how I've never gotten any work done. I don't believe in Botox or fillers or anything. I don't judge you if you do. I just personally don't think that I need it. So especially, even if I did need it, it's just something that no one needs it. That's the point. No one needs anything. So the second that you declare stuff over your life and you say you need something, then that's a lack mentality. So I'm like, no, I feel really great how I am. I don't really feel like I need to do any of that fun stuff. So now I'm going on a tangent, and we won't go into any of that stuff. You guys can see prior videos where I've talked a little bit more about my reasoning why. So if you want to check out that video on why I don't do Botox, you can check that one out. That's a fun one. I got my nails done the other day. I want to show you guys because they're so cute for Aquarian season. Right over here, she did the Aquarian little star constellation, and then we put my favorite kind of 3-point stars. This is my favorite emoji as well, FYI, in case you're wondering, along with the crystal ball, obviously. And then this one says 1987, if you can see it. Yeah, isn't that so cool? So these are like super gel, they call it super gel. But if you're in the Los Angeles area and you're looking for a really cool place to get your nails done, there's a fun place called Color Camp that 2 of my friends actually founded. So shout out to G and Lauren, I'm proud of you girls. They just opened their second location. So that's just a little bit about what's going on in this whole look. But so I wanted to create something that could be for birthdays, a little bit more of a magical look. And I used this palette. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. I've used this in multiple videos before, but this Skinny Dip foil palette is one of my favorites. There's just so many great, I literally use this all the time. So I used the Magic Hour, which is this guy, to create this look. And it's a fun one. So whether you're getting ready for a special event or whatever, this is a really recreatable, easy look to do. So I hope you guys like it. Definitely make sure to comment below and let me know what you think. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it.
Finally, right in front of me is something that I want to keep forever. Like a red time in history, where the seekers find all the treasures. But the more I try to pull, you're drifting further from me lately. When I tighten up my grip, that's when you're slipping from my fingers. But that's okay. Walk away, and baby, I dare you. Cause this time now I know, before you hold them close, gotta let them go. Walk away, and if this scares you, take your time, you can take it slow. When you're ready, mama, come back home and I'll make you go. Oh, 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 oh. I'll make you go. Oh, 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 oh. This reads like a love story. I got us here now, honey, you can write the ending. I'll be a king who had everything, but without a queen, I'm a pawn who's just pretending. But the more I try to pull, you're drifting further from me lately. There's a distance in your kiss, and that's all that I can take. So there's only one thing to say. Walk away, baby, I dare you. Cause this time now I know, before you that's okay. Walk away, baby, I dare you. 'Cause this time now I know, before you hold them close, gotta let them go. Walk away, and if it scares you, take your time, you can take it slow. When you're ready, mama, come back home and I'll make you go. I'll make you go. I'll make you grow. I'll make you grow. And no, I'll make you grow. I'll make you grow.
All right, you guys, thank you again so much to Ipsy and our brand sponsors for all of the amazing products in this video. I can't wait to see if you guys recreate the stuff, so make sure to add me on Instagram. If you haven't already, follow me over there. You can see more of what we're up to day to day since I'm not always on YouTube. I treat my story on Instagram kind of like a daily vlog, so you guys can always check and see what we're up to over there. There's been some really exciting things, so you definitely want to stay tuned. And I'm gonna head out, but remember, be the light because the world needs so much more of it. Make sure to use all of the 5 love languages. Go check those out if you don't know what those are. Affirm one another, love on one another. We just all need to realize we're all on the same team. So I love you guys. It's been fun, and we'll see you next time.